Top 9 Superfoods for Fighting Kidney Disease. For kidney disease, a specialized diet with low sodium, phosphorus, and potassium is recommended. While it won't cure the kidneys, it promotes overall kidney health. People with kidney disease often need to limit certain nutrients, as the kidneys may struggle to process them, leading to potential harm. Since experiences of kidney disease vary, consulting with a doctor is crucial to determine individual dietary requirements. In this video, we'll explore a delectable lineup of 9 foods specifically chosen to promote kidney health and aid in their repair. Let's dive into the world of kidney care cuisine. However, keep in mind that this video is solely for educational purposes, and before taking any medicine or action, always consult with a healthcare professional. Number 1. Egg whites. Egg whites emerge as a superb addition to a kidney-friendly diet, offering a high-quality protein source while being low in phosphorus. For individuals following a renal diet, opting for egg whites over whole eggs is often recommended, considering that egg yolks can be relatively high in phosphorus. Delving into the nutritional specifics, 2 large, raw egg whites, 66 grams, provide 110 milligrams of sodium, 108 milligrams potassium, phosphorus 10 milligrams, and protein 7 grams. This nutrient profile makes egg whites an excellent choice for individuals with kidney disease who need to be mindful of their sodium, potassium, and phosphorus intake while ensuring an adequate protein supply. Including egg whites in your diet can contribute to meeting nutritional needs while aligning with the dietary restrictions commonly advised for kidney health. Number 2. Garlic. Ranking at number 2 in our lineup of kidney-friendly foods is garlic, a flavorful addition that goes beyond enhancing the taste of your dishes. This aromatic herb is not only known for its culinary appeal but also boasts compounds that may offer valuable support to your kidneys, potentially aiding in their health and repair. Garlic contains various bioactive substances, including allicin, which has been studied for its potential antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties are particularly beneficial for overall kidney health, as they may contribute to reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, factors that can impact kidney function. Adding garlic to your meals not only elevates the taste, but also introduces potential health benefits for your kidneys. Whether minced, sliced, or crushed, incorporating this aromatic herb into your cooking can be a flavorful and health-conscious choice as you prioritize kidney support in your diet. Stay tuned as we explore more delectable options on our kidney care cuisine journey. Number 3. Sea bass. Sea bass stands out as a commendable fish option, offering not only high-quality protein but also healthy fats known as omega-3s. These omega-3 fatty acids are renowned for their potential to prevent a range of diseases and enhance the health of individuals dealing with long-term conditions. For those considering their kidney health, it's worth noting that 3 ounces of cooked sea bass present the following nutritional breakdown. Sodium, 74 milligrams. Potassium, 279 milligrams. Phosphorus, 211 milligrams. Protein, 20 grams. While sea bass brings a nutritious profile to the table, it's important to be mindful of portion sizes, as recommended by the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases. Eating small portions of meat or fish is advisable, as high protein levels can potentially exert additional stress on the kidneys. A standard portion is typically considered to be 2 to 3 ounces, equivalent to the size of a deck of cards, promoting a balanced approach to protein intake while supporting kidney health. Number 4. Cauliflower. Cauliflower stands out as a nutritional powerhouse, offering a variety of essential nutrients that contribute to overall health. Rich in vitamin K, folate, and fiber, cauliflower also packs a punch with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. For those looking to manage their potassium intake, cauliflower offers a clever alternative. Substituting mashed cauliflower for potatoes creates a flavorful and low-potassium side dish, expanding the culinary possibilities for individuals focusing on kidney health. This makes cauliflower not only a versatile and nutrient-dense choice, but also a kidney-friendly option, supporting dietary goals aimed at maintaining optimal kidney health. Whether enjoyed as a side dish or incorporated into various recipes, cauliflower adds both flavor and nutritional value to your meals. Number 5. Apples. Ranked at number 5 in our selection of kidney-friendly foods are apples, a wholesome snack that offers notable health benefits. Apples are a rich source of pectin, a vital fiber known for its potential to mitigate certain risk factors associated with kidney damage, including high blood sugar and cholesterol levels. In addition to their fibrous content, apples can serve as a satisfying choice for those with a sweet tooth, offering a nutritious alternative to sugary snacks. Embracing apples as part of your dietary choices not only provides a delicious and convenient snack, but also supports overall kidney health by addressing key risk factors. Stay tuned as we continue our exploration of kidney care cuisine, uncovering more delicious and health-conscious options to incorporate into your daily diet. Enjoying the video? Hit the like button and share with friends for more helpful life tips. Your support is appreciated. Number 6. Cabbage. Claiming the 6th spot in our roster of kidney-friendly foods is cabbage, a versatile and nutrient-rich vegetable that belongs to the cruciferous family. Cabbage stands out for being low in potassium, making it a suitable choice for individuals focusing on kidney health. Entering the realm of cruciferous kidney care, cabbage not only brings a unique flavor to your meals, but also offers a variety of health benefits that contribute to overall kidney well-being. Its low potassium content makes it a valuable addition to a renal diet, providing a tasty option for those mindful of their potassium intake. As we delve further into our exploration of kidney care cuisine, stay tuned for more insights into delicious and nutritious options to support your kidney health. Number 7. Olive oil. Olive oil stands out as a health-conscious addition to your diet, providing essential benefits for individuals managing kidney disease. As a nutrient-rich option, olive oil offers a healthy source of vitamin E and is primarily composed of unsaturated fats. Notably, it is phosphorus-free, making it a suitable choice for those with kidney concerns. The predominant fat in olive oil, oleic acid, boasts anti-inflammatory properties, contributing to overall health and potentially aiding in the management of inflammatory conditions. This quality makes olive oil not only a flavorful addition to your meals, but also a potential ally in supporting well-being. Number 8. Red grapes. Red grapes emerge as a noteworthy addition to a kidney-friendly diet, offering a range of health benefits. Rich in antioxidants known as flavonoids, red grapes may contribute to reducing inflammation and providing protection against various health conditions, including heart disease and diabetes. In a half-cup serving, 75 grams, of red grapes, you can enjoy the following nutritional content. Sodium, 1.5 milligrams. Potassium, 144 milligrams. Phosphorus, 15 milligrams. Protein, 0.5 grams. These nutrient values make red grapes a delicious and nutritious option for individuals with kidney considerations. Whether enjoyed as a standalone snack or incorporated into salads and desserts, red grapes offer a flavorful way to support your overall health while aligning with dietary recommendations for kidney well-being. Stay tuned as we continue our journey through kidney care cuisine, uncovering more delightful options for your palate. Number 9. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes, resembling their white counterparts, offer a distinct advantage due to their higher fiber content, potentially leading to a slower breakdown and a reduced spike in blood sugar levels. Beyond their impact on blood sugar, sweet potatoes are a rich source of vitamins and minerals, including potassium. The potassium content in sweet potatoes can play a role in balancing sodium levels in the body, potentially mitigating its effects on the kidneys. This aspect is particularly beneficial for overall kidney health. While sweet potatoes offer a nutritious option for many, those with kidney concerns should prioritize personalized dietary choices to manage their potassium levels effectively. Consulting with a healthcare professional ensures a tailored approach that aligns with individual health needs and dietary restrictions. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others on their journey to kidney health. Don't miss our more useful video. Simply click here and enjoy.